Hello, in this video we show you how to remove the outer door panel on Volkswagen Golf Plus. You might want to remove the outer door panel if you want to replace the door lock actuator or the window regulator or the window itself. To remove the outer door panel, we need to remove this outer door handle. We also need to remove this plastic cover, and then there is bolts underneath the plastic cover that are holding the outer door panel in place. First, we start by removing this plastic cover. It's held by plastic clips, so we need a plastic pry tool just to pry it out. Here you can see the plastic clips that it's held on. Next, I'm going to remove the door handle. To remove the door handle, first we need to remove this lock mechanism, which is held by one bolt, which we need to turn. It's just behind this thing, and this is the Torx that I'm going to use. It's T20. So we put our Torx in there, just you make sure you reach the bolt. You pull out the handle and start turning the bolt until it doesn't want to turn anymore. Make sure before you turn the bolt, make sure you pull out the handle and you start turning until you feel it to stop. Here you can see I'm continuing to turn the bolt with the handle out, and eventually you feel it stop. Here it is. You feel it. I can feel it stop. Now you can get a plastic pry tool, or just if you can do it by hand, just pull out this lock mechanism. Here it is. The lock mechanism is out. Before removing the door handle, first we need to remove this cable that the door handle is pulling out. We need probably a screwdriver just to pry out this cable, and then we can take out the door handle. You just pull the door handle to the right and just take it out. And that's the door handle out. Next, we're going to remove this outer door panel of the door, because if you want to replace the door lock actuator or the window regulator or the window, we need to remove that because there is access from this side. We need to remove that bolt where the door handle is, and we need to remove all these bolts that are holding this outer door panel. Here you can see the bolts are all around the car, and there is on that side the bolts as well. To remove the bolts, we need to use Torx T30. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video you can find links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. And that's all the bolts now almost removed. Next we're going to remove this small bolt where the door handle is, and then we're going to take out the outer door panel. Once all the bolts are removed, there should be nothing holding it, so just take out the door panel. And once the outer door panel is removed, we have access to replace the window regulator, the window itself, or the door lock actuator. I have a video on my channel of how to replace the door lock actuator on this car. Just scroll to the channel if you need any help. Next, we're going to put the outer door panel back in its place. First, we're going to put it where it's sitting, and then we're going to put on all the bolts holding it. When you put the door panel on its place, just put one or two bolts just to hold it in place, and then put the rest of the bolts. Next, we're going to put on this bolt and tighten it. That's just behind the door handle. Next, we're going to put on the outer door handle. First, we're going to put that part in there. That part has to click into place, so we push the door handle on this side, and then we push it to the left and it will click in place. Here you can see how it clicked into place. Now we need to put on the cable for the door handle that the door handle is pulling, and then we can put on this lock mechanism. To put the lock mechanism in its place, first we need to pull out the door handle a little bit and then just push it in. Now we're going to take our Torx bit and we're going to tighten the bolt holding the lock mechanism. Once that bolt is tightened, then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.